Today, I want to talk about the text after the seminar session. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Pantita Manipru. My ID is 623-1205-163. And the first, I want to talk about the what have I learned. The topic that I interest is recovery after COVID-19, impact of hotel business in the northern region. After I listened to a seminar on this topic, I learned more about the impact of the hotel business in northern Thailand. The northern region is considered to be the industrial area of the hotel business. That is very important. But due to the COVID-19 situation, causing Thailand to close the city, close the country to prevent the spread of the virus. But after that, it affects many business, especially the hotel business, which caused entrepreneurs to suddenly lose their income. Entrepreneurs must find a way to cope with the situation in order to make their business survive. Personally, I have followed the news and it's one of the entrepreneurs facing this situation because my family runs a restaurant business, which was also affected too. By the way, there are a lot of adaptations to make their own business survive this situation, such as using technology to help selling through online channels, flexible management. I think every business is trying to find a way to survive, which is considered a big adjustment because otherwise the business may have to close down. And the second topic, what interests you for further researching and learning and why? I am interested in this topic because I think this topic is very challenging. The situation that happened affect many business, especially in the hotel business. So, I want to study and gain knowledge and find ways for entrepreneurs in many hotels to adapt to the situation. I think it's a way for business owners to learn more, and besides that, it's also a survival skill that we have never encountered before. Because for us to escape from this situation, we must be conscious, have a new idea, and know how to make our business survive. Problem or gaps that arise when entering the tourism business. I personally think the next problem is the hotel business, or the owner or the operator is at great risk because the epidemic situation had not improved 100%, which means we must always be prepared to deal with changes in the situation. We cannot predict what will happen again in the future. There may be another outbreak or may change that a big problem for business owner. And besides that, there are also gaps that arise. Personally, I think that the first thing tourists who come to a hotel will think about is epidemic prevention measure, which may be what everyone should do at a hotel standard to make a guest feel comfortable. The problem or gap that I explained above can be solved or can be prevented. And the last topic, talk about two key issues arising from the all session. I like studying the topic of circular economic for the travel and tourism industry because most of the waste problem we are facing come directly from the tourism industry. It's arising from tourists who travel in that place. It is the main problem that we should be aware of, and in this lesson, it also clarify the problem of waste that occur in the root of the problem and how we can manage it. It's something I enjoy and I like to learn more than lesson, and besides, another of my favorite lesson is tourism business for the Chinese market. I am interested in tourism marketing in this topic. It is a lesson that teaches the behavior of Chinese tourists, spending statistics, destination country that Chinese tourists like to visit. I had so much fun learning this lesson that it made me want to find more information beside the lesson. And thank you.